This is a short video to walk you through the steps of installing R and RStudio for the Reproducible Clinical Data Analysis course. R and RStudio are two separate packages that need to be installed from separate websites, and R must be installed before RStudio. Open a browser. In this case, I'm using Safari, but you might as well use Chrome instead. Navigate to cloud.r-project.org. Click on Download R for macOS X. Then R 3.4.4.package. And once it's done downloading, click on the Downloads button and double-click R-3.4.4.package. Click Continue, 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 Agree, and Install. And enter your administrator password to continue. Click Close when the installation is finished, and move to Trash to move the installer package to trash. Next, point the browser to www.rstudio.com/download. We're interested in the RStudio Desktop open source license, which is free. So click Download. This makes the page scroll down. From here, select the installer from macOS 10. Click on the Downloads button and double-click the RStudio DMG icon. To install RStudio, drag the RStudio icon onto the Applications folder icon. Let's put a shortcut to RStudio into the dock. Scroll down to find the RStudio icon in the Applications folder. Make sure you pick the RStudio icon and not the R icon. Drag the RStudio icon into the dock. Now click RStudio to start it and confirm that you want to open it. You might get a dialog that asks whether you want to install the command line developer tools. This might take a few minutes. Click Install and agree. Click Done when it's done installing. At this point, you'll see the console, which tells you that R version 3.4.4 is running, and the environment and files panes. Let's do one more thing. Click on File, New File, or Notebook. You'll get this dialog that asks whether you'd like to install a couple of packages. Packages are R's way to extend its functionality. We'll be working with our notebooks, so we'll need these packages. So go ahead and click Yes. As a final step, let's install the packages that comprise the tidyverse. The tidyverse is a set of packages for data analysis and graphics in R. We'll make heavy use of the tidyverse in the course. Click on the console to make it visible. The console is the place where you can type in R commands, and R will immediately execute them. You can see the little greater than sign followed by a blinking cursor. That's the prompt to enter an R command. The command for installing packages is install.packages. So type install.packages, parenthesis, double quote, tidyverse, and hit enter. And this might take a while. In some cases, R will ask you whether you'd like to install packages from source code. In this case, say yes. Don't get thrown off by all the red output. Those aren't errors, and it's safe to ignore it. When it's finished installing, the prompt appears again. And that's it. Your computer is now ready for the course.